Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purba and I'm so glad that you guys are here with me. Who all are new in my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get all the notification whenever I'll upload my new video. Giving yourself time to heal. Yes, my friends often said if you are going through pain because of your breakup, find someone else who will love you more than your last one. I think not just my friends. In our society, we always give this type of advice. If you are not happy with things, replace them. But my logic is different, and I think because of that people always saw me in different eyes. They look at me like I am a criminal who never followed constitution. In our life, whenever we get hurt from someone, we always try to replace them with the other one. Isn't it true? Oftentimes we tried to run after next thing. We always tried to make ourselves busy. In my past, I often tried to run after my next relationship, next friendship, because I was hurt by my past one. So I tried my best to distract myself with the next one, which never really helped me to heal. One day, I asked a question to myself. Why? Yes, why? Why I need someone? Why it is important to replace? Is it really important to have someone? Is it fair for them whom we replace only for our happiness? And the last question was, why it is important to be happy all the time? Who made this rule? Only by being happy we can heal ourselves? Whenever we were hurt, we cried. Our tears helped us to heal, and tears represent our sadness. That means sadness can also heal us. I want a healthy relationship. I want a relationship in which I don't have to compare my past relationships with my current ones. I want such a relationship which logically is the second one but makes me feel the first time. I don't want a next relationship. I want my first relationship. Before starting a new one, give yourself time to heal. Just think you had a pimple in your face and you are touching it again and again. You are not giving it time for healing. You are just stopping the healing process. There will be a time when it will spread more and leave scars in there. Just like that, running after next thing will not heal the hurt your past one gives you. It will hurt you more. It is important for us to live alone sometimes. Believe me, you will not be regret. You get a cut, you use antiseptic in there. It burns a little bit, but after a few minutes, you will start feeling the best you would have been. It is important to give us time for healing. When you are hurt, you don't give yourself time to heal, you only deep in the wound even more. Cry. Take a break, sit in somewhere alone. It will make you feel better. After this healing process, you will start finding you, the actual you. The one who don't need anyone for being happy, who will know how to smile, who will know how to love, who will know how to be kind. The next time when you want to be in a relationship, ask yourself, is it your next one or the one whom you find the first time? That's all for today. I hope this video will help you, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer it. And in the last, I just want to say, give yourself time to heal.